Now I'm going to show you how to go into split screen mode on a Mac. And the reason you might want to do split screen mode is so that you can have a YouTube video on the left, and then on the right side of your screen you can have the accompanying activity, and that will allow you to easily go back and forth between the two. So right now I'm in full screen mode. I'm on my YouTube channel, and I have pulled up a video called Connecting Through Conversation, and that is a free video I have on my YouTube channel. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in split screen mode. So you can see there are three dots in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, a red, yellow, and green one. You're going to click on the green dot, which I am doing now, and it will go into half screen mode, split screen mode. Then what I'm going to do is I already had the accompanying activity pulled up on my computer. So at this point, all I have to do is click on it, and you will see it automatically will appear on the open side of your screen, in this case, the right side of the screen. So what that allows you to do is to take a look at the video with your student. And if you
I'm
want,
good
you
for better
can go
safe
into
speaking.
full screen
I'm a
mode,
speech and language
and it will
pathologist, and I
become, the
like to
screen
help
will
people
become a little
improve their
bit
social
bigger,
communication.
and then you can go out, edit out, or exit out of there as well. So here you would have the video that you would watch, and then over here you would have the accompanying activity that you would use with digital annotation. And this accompanying activity is from my Let's Talk About Conversation packet for middle and high school students. So that's how you do a split screen mode, and very useful in social skills, social communication therapy. Then if you want to go out of split screen, all you have to do is click on that green dot again, and then you are out of split screen.